Ladies and gentlemen, it's election season and nothing should surprise us. It should certainly not surprise us if a comment from 2006 has become the biggest political flashpoint in election 2024, 18 years later. Prime Minister Narendra Modi launched a fierce attack on the Congress and its manifesto in Rajasthan yesterday. He cited an 18-year-old comment by the then Prime Minister, Dr. Manmohan Singh, and Rahul Gandhi's recent statement about an economic survey and came up with a wealth distribution theory. Mr. Modi claimed that wealth, gold, property and even Mangal Sutras will be taken away and given to infiltrators and those with more children if the Congress is voted to power. Essentially saying that if the Congress comes to power, wealth will be snatched from the Hindus and given to infiltrators. He didn't use the word Muslims here. He reiterated his statement once again today. Listen in.
कांग्रेस ने अपने मैनिफेस्टो में जो कहा है वो चिंताजनक है, गंभीर है। उन्होंने कहा है कि अगर कांग्रेस की सरकार बनेगी तो हर एक की प्रॉपर्टी का सर्वे किया जाएगा। हमारी बहनों के पास सोना कितना है उसकी जांच की जाएगी, उसका हिसाब लगाया जाएगा। हमारे आदिवासी परिवारों में चांदी होती है, सिल्वर कितना है उसका हिसाब लगाया जाएगा। इतना ही नहीं, आगे क्या कहा है, ये जो गोल्ड है बहनों का और जो संपत्ति है ये सबको समान रूप से वितरित कर दी जाएगी। क्या ये आपको मंजूर है क्या? मेरी माताओं बहनों की जिंदगी में सोना वो सिर्फ शो करने के लिए नहीं होता है, उसके स्वाभिमान से जुड़ा हुआ है। उसका मंगलसूत्र वो एक सोने का कीमत का मुद्दा नहीं है, उसके जीवन के सपनों से जुड़ा हुआ है। तुम उसे छीनने की बात कर रहे हो अपने मैनिफेस्टो में। गोल्ड ले लेंगे, सबको वितरित कर देंगे। और पहले जब उनकी सरकार थी उन्होंने कहा था कि देश की संपत्ति पर पहला अधिकार मुसलमानों का है। इसका मतलब ये संपत्ति इकट्ठी करके किसको बांटेंगे? जिनके ज्यादा बच्चे हैं उनको बांटेंगे।
So what exactly is this remark that former Prime Minister Dr. Manmohan Singh made, which Prime Minister Modi and the BJP are referring to in this statement? Now, ladies and gentlemen, in the interest of fairness, you should listen to it yourself instead of anyone telling you what exactly it was. Here it is.
We need to be revitalized. We will have to devise innovative plans to ensure that minorities, particularly the Muslim minority, are empowered to share equitably in the fruits of development. They must have the first claim on our resources.
So actually there is a longer bite there that says that Dr. Manmohan Singh is talking about minorities and saying that minorities must have the first claim on India's resources. You heard that part. What the BJP and Prime Minister Modi are citing actually, and this is the video that they are citing, it's just a small 20-second part of a longer statement that is not available publicly. We tried to look for it. That statement wasn't available publicly. But back in 2006 as well, a political controversy had broken out over this very remark, which prompted the PMO, then PMO, to release a clarification. What Dr. Manmohan Singh had actually said is that upliftment of SC, ST, OBCs, women, children and minorities is the priority and they must have the first claim on India's resources. So basically the former Prime Minister wasn't just talking about Muslims or minorities, he was also referring to different castes, women, children and how all of them need India's resources. Another point to note from Prime Minister Modi's fiery speech is his claim about the Congress manifesto. Mr. Modi says the Congress would conduct an economic survey and use that to take away the public's wealth. But But the truth is that all that the Congress manifesto promises is a socio-economic census which will help them understand the financial divide in this country. The Prime Minister has also claimed that your wealth will be given to infiltrators and those with more children. He made this comment right after the Manmohan Singh Muslim reference, you heard it there. But nowhere in the Congress manifesto is it written that Muslims will be given any kind of preference. Regarding minorities, the Congress is merely promising to empower them economically and ensure that receive job opportunities without discrimination. As expected, Prime Minister Modi's remarks have not gone down very well with the opposition, which is calling this a hate speech. In fact, the Congress party has approached the Election Commission and sought action against the Prime Minister. They say Prime Minister Modi is using religion in the election campaign and outrightly targeting a single community.
This is a very disgraceful speech made by the Prime Minister. But the fact is that people realize that when he says the Congress party is going to take all your wealth and give it to the Muslims, that this is just a nakedly communal appeal which normally any civilized election commission would disallow and warn the candidate for speaking like this. It's simply not decent, number one. Number two, it has never happened. The Congress party is constantly accused by Mr. Modi of having ruled the country for 65 years. Have we taken away people's wealth and given it to the Muslim community? What nonsense is this talk?
मोदी जी, आप देश को तोड़ने का काम कर रहे हैं, आप देश को कमजोर करने का काम कर रहे हैं। कौन से मुसलमान से मोहब्बत है मोदी जी को? दुबई जाएंगे, सऊदी अरब जाएंगे, दुबई और सऊदी अरब जाएंगे तो उसको बोलेंगे या हबीबी, या हबीबी। ऐसा मिलेंगे जैसा कि एक भाई से मिल रहे हैं और हमको ऐसा देखते हैं, हम घुसपैठी हैं।